My limited edition Halo Elite Series 2 controller has developed a drift. What a surprise. And I want to preserve it for my collection, so... Hello, Jeff. I want to replace my Elite Series 2 with something I'm less attached to, something less limited. Let's say Core Edition. Do you have any?
Lots of them fail. And by the way, this happens all the time. I'll say I don't think that's a good idea.
Yeah, just say you got some. Thank you, man. You're a star. Jeff Bezos. Since the initial release of Elite Series 2 Core Edition, they made up a couple of additional colors, and I want to see them in person, as white looks boring to me. Oh, good timing.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys paid for all of this.
Thank you, Jeff.
Roman does consumer tips.
Let's get down to business. These are the latest red and blue Core Edition Elite Series 2 controllers for your Xbox. If you don't know the difference between Core and standard Elite Series 2, it's very simple. Core has no accessories with it whatsoever. I have a video about it up here somewhere. You'll find it. So to take full advantage of it, you have to buy accessories pack, either directly from Microsoft for overpriced $60, which is somewhat unnecessary, or go my favorite route, yes, Amazon, and buy either knockoffs or a set of these scuff paddles straight from Amazon. I have a video about them coming out shortly as well. Stay tuned. But for now, let's enjoy some colors, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you are enjoying this unboxing today. First, I have to choose a side.
All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Same as with everything Microsoft, unboxing is very easy and pleasant. And there you go. That's how I normally open my boxes. So this is the controller itself. I'll show it to you in a second. What's inside of the box, apart from picture at the back and this plasticky paper thing, there's a cable, and the cable itself is red color. Thumbstick adjustment screwdriver or tool. Inside you'll have some manuals. I would rather have them put paddles for the cost of this thing in here. Now let's clean it up and look at the controller. And I have to say, red on this controller looks especially pleasant because it's very rich color, and I really love the extra touch around triggers and bumpers. They're made in metallic red. Same as with D-pad. Even though you have no spare thumbstick covers, you still can remove them and replace them for something else, either third party or buy the original ones. And plus, same as with all Elite Series 2, you can adjust your thumbstick tension. At the back, it's completely white, and I guess they tried to save some money and used backplate from the original Elite Series 2 Core Edition that came out in white. Apart from that, it's a standard controller, standard Elite Series 2 controller, one of the best ones you can buy for your Xbox, until it develops a drift. Straight out of the box, I see there are some defects. One of them is around this Xbox logo, and this is probably a dirt. Yeah, this is just a dirt here. So yeah, not many defects, but it definitely has been scratched. Next, let's open blue one. Same as before. And this is how it goes. This one was easier to open, apparently. Box is standard, nothing special, just a card box. There's nothing at the back either. Inside, same as with the one before, you have blue colored cable this time. Nice touch, at least they spent some money on coloring here. Same manual, oh, and they made a custom manual in a blue color. The rest is the same here, same tool and everything, so I'll keep it aside. Now controller itself. Straight out of the box, again, beautiful, very rich blue color of the controller. It has metallic blue accents around triggers, bumpers, and your D-pad. Overall, again, very beautiful, very rich looking controller. I like the texture and everything. Again, same as with all Elite Series 2, it's rubberized. We have adjustable triggers. And same as with the controller before, I'm seeing a defect around Xbox logo up here. Not sure what's going on at that factory, but whoever is producing this backplate needs to be punished. Now let's have a look at them side by side and decide what controller do you like the most. And I have to say, in person, these two look absolutely gorgeous next to each other. and I am having a hard time here to decide which one to keep, red or blue. My favorite color is blue, but red in this particular case has this very unique battlefield aura around it, and I'm really having a hard time to resist against it. While blue one has more of a racy car type feel to it. What do you think? Which controller looks the best and which one should I keep? Let me know in the comments below. There's also a giveaway happening on this channel right now for a limited edition Starfield controller for your Xbox, and you can get it free of charge. All you have to do is just check out the link in the description below. If only I could swap plates from this controller to Elite Series 2 Core, and if you could combine it with these transparent triggers from Starfield Edition, that would be absolutely awesome. But for some reason, Xbox didn't think of that. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, and I highly encourage you to subscribe. This helps this channel a lot. Make sure to check out my back paddles hack with these scuff paddles set over here. And on this note, I'll see you in my next video. Godspeed.